Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As we dive into the video, I want to share by sending warm greeting your way. With the festive season just around the corner, it is that time of the years to bring joy and cheer into our home. Now let me give you a quick preview of what is in store. In today's video, we are going to explore some super simple and daylight Christmas table decor ideas. I know the holidays can get a bit of hectic, so I have got you covered with easy to follow suggestions that will make your dining table look festive without breaking a sweat. Whether you are a seasoned decorator or someone who is just getting started, these ideas are designed to be accessible to everyone. So grab a cup of cocoa, get comfy, and let's turn your dining table into a festive masterpiece without any fuss. Excited to share these ideas with you, so let's jump right in. Imagine a bari dining table like a blank canvas waiting for the magic of the holidays. It is not just about putting things on the table, it is about creating a special feeling. Picture the excitement of Christmas, and that is what we want our table to reflect. During the holiday season, we all crave a warm and festive atmosphere. The dining table becomes the heart of family gatherings where laughter and joy are shared. It is not just a place to eat, it is a space to create memories. Decorating the table sets the mood, making it feel like a magical holiday wonderland right in your home. The table is not just a piece of furniture, it is a stage for the festive spirit. It is where we gather with loved ones, exchange gifts, and enjoy delicious meals. So, when we talk about setting the sense with a festive atmosphere, it is about turning that plain table into a festive focal point, a symbol of togetherness and celebration. Let's dive into the transforming this empty table into a magical space that capture the true essences of the holiday season. Imagine a bari dining table like a blank canvas waiting for the magic of the holidays. It is not just about putting things on the table, it is about creating a special feeling. Picture the excitement of Christmas, and that is what we want our table to reflect. Picture your dining table as a canvas, and basic tableware serve as the foundation for your Christmas masterpiece. Start with plates, they are like the stage for your festive feasts. Lay them out evenly, creating a clean slate for your holiday spread. Now, let's talk cutlery, knives, forks, and spoons. They are your essential tools for enjoying the delicious bits of the season. Napkins may seem small, but they are the finishing touch, adding a touch of elegance to your table setting. Why does this matter? Well, a clean and organized table sets the stage for a joyful dining experience. It is like creating a welcoming atmosphere for your guests. Imagine the delight on their faces when they sit down to a well set table ready for a festive celebration. So in simple terms, basic tableware, plates, cutleries, and napkins is the backbone of your Christmas table. Keep it neat, keep it tidy, and you are halfway to creating a warm and inviting space for your holiday gathering. When it comes to making your Christmas dining table look fantastic, don't overlook the power of tablecloth and runner. These are like the stylish cloth for your table. Imagine you have a plain table that is like having a blank canvas. Now adding a tablecloth is like putting on a beautiful dress. It instantly changes the whole look. Tablecloth can be solid color like red or green, or they can have festive pattern like snowflakes or reindeer. It is like picking an outfit that suits the oceans. Now let's talk about runner. Runner are like accessories for your table. They go down the center and add the extra flyer. You can choose a runner that match your tablecloth or go for a complementary color. It is a bit like choosing stylish quilt to go with your dress. It ties everything together. This simple addition might seem small, but trust me, they work magic. They turn a plain table into a festive feast for the eyes. So when you are setting up your Christmas table, think about the tablecloth and runner as your secret weapon for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Create a sticking centerpieces already have at home. Look around for items like a decorative bowl, a cake stand, or a large glass jar. These can be your base. Next, gather seasonal items such as pine cones, ornaments, or even colorful candles. Arrange these items creatively on your chosen base. Mix shape and texture. Encourage your creativity to shine by experimenting with different combination. Don't be afraid to add a personal touch like incorporating or statemental items. Consider placing a few candles strategically for a warm and inviting glow. This not only add a festive ambience but also utilize common household items. Remember, simplicity can be beautiful. A bowl filled with fresh fruits like orange or apple can be a delightful and fragrant centerpieces. The key is to play around with what you have, keeping in mind the festive themes. This hands-on approach not only make your centerpieces unique but also allow you to experience your individual style. Transform your Christmas dining table with candles, add a magical touch to your festive setup. Candles create a warm and cozy atmosphere, setting the perfect ambience for holiday gathering. Now let's talk safety. Always prioritize safety when using candles. Option for flameless LEDs candles to eliminate the risk of fire, especially if children or pets are around. If you are prefer real candles, ensure they are placed in stable holders away from flammable items. Consider using glass candles hold to prevent wax from dropping into a table. Be mindful of open flame, keeping them away from curtains or any else combustion materials. During family celebration, it is essential to prioritize everyone's well-being. Now on to candles option. Choose candles that complement your theme. Classic white candles offer timeless elegance. White, red or green ones embrace the traditional Christmas colors. You can also explore scented candles to add a delightful fragrance to your dining experience. Remember, the key is to the blend safety with creativity, creating a warm, festive glow for everyone to enjoy around the Christmas table. Creating a festive drinking station adds extra flair to your Christmas table. Picture it as a mini bar but with a holiday twist. Start by placing a charming tray or cart on the table. Now for the drinks, think beyond the usual and go for holidays themed beverage. Consider warm option like spices, cedar or hot cooked chocolates. With peppermint for a refreshing touch, try Canberry or pomegranate mocktail. Include a variety of garnish like cinnamon sticks, citrus slice, or even festive shapes ice cubes, making it instructive. Make it interactive while letting guests customize their drink with these fun extra. If you're feeling fancy, set out a small bowl of whipped cream for that extra indulgence. Remember, it is not just about the drinks themselves, but the presentation. Use decorative glass or mugs and maybe even some holidays themed straws. This adds a delightful visual elements to the overall setup. Decorating with natural elements like pine cones or holiday adds a touch of nature schemes to your Christmas table. Imagine the rustic beauty of pine cones at the vibrant greenery or holiday seamlessly blending with your festive decor. Transforming your Christmas dining tables does not have to break the bank. Let's talk about wallet-friendly ways to add a festive touch. First up, consider repurposing decorative you do already have that old worth. It can be a stunning centerpieces with a few added ornaments. Take a look at your tree decoration. These small bubbles can double as charming table accents. Don't underestimate the power of everyday items. Mason jars, for instance, can become rustic candles holders. Grab some ribbon or twins to tie around them for a extra festive feel. Spare ribbon or bowl tucked away. Rate your craft supplies. Even simple papers can turn into delightful DIY ornament. In wrapping up the video, everyone to share their unique Christmas table decor ideas in the comments below. Your creativity inspire us all. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more exciting content. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for being part of our creativity journey, and until next time, happy decorating.